Hi class, this is Ms. Champagne, and today I'm going to teach you how to factor out a monomial. Okay, so factors, let's first write what the definition of factor is. A factor, two small numbers that multiply together to equal a number. So we are going to write the factors of 3. What are the two small numbers that multiply together to equal 3? It's 1 times 3. A cubed means to write A 3 times. So I'm going to write A, and A. I'm going to put a box or a house. All right, so all of these numbers live in the same house. Then I have plus my factors of 6. I need to find factors that are alike, like the numbers in this house. So I have a couple of different choices. For 6, I have 1 times 6. And I also have 2 times 3. I'm going to use the factors 2 times 3 because I see a 3 over here in this household. So I'm going to use 2 times 3 and write my A twice. A and A. The whole point of this is we're going to match numbers and letters in each house that are alike. They're going to move out and get married into their own house. So right now they live in separate houses. So 1, we don't have to worry about the number 1. We can cross that out because there's always an imaginary 1 here. So this 3 and this 3 are going to get married. They're going to move out together into their own house. So now both of these 3s live here together in one house. So I'm going to go ahead and scratch them out. This A in this house and this A, they're both going to get married and move out into their own house together. So now you know when they say when you get married, 2 become 1. Both of these now live in the same house, both of these A's. This A and this A are going to get married and they're going to move out together. So I'll scratch out this A and scratch out that A. I don't have anything else in each house that's alike. So I have a 3 and 2 A's that now live together. I'm going to draw parentheses instead of a box. Inside this house I have an A left. Bring down my plus sign. In this house over here I see that I have a 2 left. Remember when you see 2 A's, we can leave it as 2 A's or we can just put them back together. 3A, and remember all this means multiply. So when you multiply, you have your exponent in the air. 3A squared times A plus 2 is the same thing as 3A cubed plus 6A squared. All we did, this is the factored form. All we do is take the numbers and the factors out that were alike. We put them outside the parentheses. In this house there was a 3, in this house there was a 3. So we had a 3 times 2. These 2 3's left, they moved in together. So we were left with a 2 over here in this house. This 3 was gone. And we had an A that moved out together, another A that moved out. So left over here, there were 3 A's here. But 2 of the A's moved out and got married, so there was only 1 A left. And over here, we only had the number 2 left. So 3A squared times A plus 2 is your answer. If we redistribute, that's how you determine if this is the correct answer. So remember the distributive property is that you put 3a squared here, 3a squared here. The a put a plus sign in the middle, sorry. The a goes over here, the 2 goes over here, and we're multiplying them together. If we come out with the same answer, that's how we know that it is correct. So we have 3, and then a squared times a to the 1 power. So we have 2 a's here, 1 a here. When we multiply our a's, we do exponents. So that's 3a cubed plus, we have a squared that we're going to bring down. Then we have 3 times 2, which is 6. So we come up with the same answer, so that lets us know that our factored form is correct.